Good morning, this is Joe Tompkins for Finmo Technologies. Today we're talking about integrations. Integrations is one of the great features of Finmo. We allow you to connect to your Facebook advertising, to your Google Analytics account, to Intercom if you want to communicate with your clients, but also with Zapier, we allow you to connect to over 2,000 different software applications. So let's do a quick zap, as they're called, and show you how powerful this can be for saving time in your busy brokering day. We're going to do a zap of a new application when it is submitted and putting that contact information into your contact. So here we go. We're going to go to our Zapier. We're going to look for our calendar app or our contact app. Let's look at contact. There's Google Contacts, so let's do that. Now what we want to do is we want to see, well, what can I do in Google Contacts? So let's scroll down a bit. There's 5 actions I can take inside Google Contacts. I can add a contact to a group, update a contact, upload a contact photo, create a contact, or create a group. So let's go ahead and create a contact from a new application in Finmo. First thing we're going to do is go back to the top here and we're going to make a zap. It's going to open up the creation page and then it's going to ask us, what application do you want to start the conversation with? Well, we know it's going to be Finmo. So let's go ahead and click on Finmo. What is the trigger event? So what's happening in Finmo to help you create a contact? Well, we want a submitted application and we're going to continue. At this point, it's going to ask you for credentials to log in. When that happens, you're going to go back to your Finmo account. You're going to come here. You're going to scroll until you see create a new token and you're going to click on this and you're going to copy this text. Then when you log in, you're going to paste this code in and it's going to give you access, allowing Finmo to communicate to your Zapier account. So we're going to skip the test today. And what we want to do is create a contact in Google. Google Contacts. There we go. Now what action event is it we want to do? We want to create a contact. Continue. Now what account do you want this to go into? Well, I want this to go into my Finmo account. Here we go. So now the first name, it's asking you, what data do you want in here? Well, the first name is going to come from Finmo, obviously. So borrower, first name, Neil. The middle name we can pass. Last name, we'll look for the first borrower, the last name. Prefix is optional. Job title is optional. Company you can add in. Email, definitely. So we'll go the first borrower email. It's always fun to find. There we go. First borrower email address, first borrower phone number. There we go. Additional phone numbers, address. We can put this in from the application as well. So we can go first borrower address. For every different trigger from Finmo, there's different data that is passed over to Zapier to speak with your CRM programs, calendar programs, whatever it may be. So you can carry on all the way down through here and complete every section so that every time a new application comes into your Finmo account, you are getting a detailed contact created within your contact system. So let's go ahead in here. Scroll down, we're going to continue and we're going to test this. And you can come back at any time and tweak it, change it. There we go. We've got a green check mark. So let's go ahead and let's check out our Finmo contacts to see if Mr. Needs a House has been added as a contact. All right, contacts, there you are. Let's slide you over. And now we're going to go ahead and find Mr. Needs a House. Neil needs a house. There he is. We can also see that I've done this a couple times before, so which one did it come in under? There we are. So it's passed over his email, his phone number, and his address into here. Once you're finished creating your Zap, now you can add multiple steps for a new application, but this is just a simple one-step Zap, just so you can start automating your business and taking steps off of your desk or your assistant's desk so you can get on the phone and start calling your database again. So let's call this one new app, new contact in Google. Once you're ready to turn this Zap on, you just simply come here, turning your Zap on, and now every single time that you get a new application, you're automatically going to have a contact created in your database for you. It's a very powerful tool, and for more information on this, don't hesitate to contact support@finmo.ca or via the intercom within your Finmo account. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.